How to remove Apple ID without password on iOS 18. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove your Apple ID without password. So firstly, on your device, open Settings. Inside Settings at the top, you will see your Apple ID. Click on your Apple ID and open it. If you scroll down on this interface, you will see the Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out. After that, it will ask for your password. Removing your Apple ID without a password is not possible. You will need to have your password. However, you can get through this by tapping on Forgot Password. Click on Forgot Password. After that, for your verification, you will need to enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, you will be able to change your password. Type in your new password and retype your new password. After that, click on Continue to change your password. Once your password has been changed, go back to Sign Out, enter your password and remove your Apple ID. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.